Welcome to First Look. This is the Haas boxway lathe. That's right, Haas now has boxway lathes. Two different models, SB-28, SB-35. We've got Y-axis, long bed, and 2-axis models. 10-inch chuck or a 12-inch chuck. And here you can see the A28 spindle nose. Standard on every SB machine. BMT 65 turret, so you can do static or live tooling. Hydraulic tailstock, and also standard on these machines, every SB lathe, is a chip conveyor. Now, why do you need a boxway lathe? Well, if you're looking for one, you already know. Hard turning, interrupted cuts like this. Take a look at this demo we shot a few weeks ago. You'll see in the demo that we're going to use the live tooling on the BMT 65 turret, and we're going to mill some slots into this piece of steel. And then we're going to turn it. Make sure you turn the volume up for this. You're going to want to listen to how rigid this machine is as it cuts. The entire demo was done, of course, with Haas tooling. So, slant bed design, hardened precision ground ways, regular Haas control, as you can see here, 19-inch monitor, cool carbon fiber bezel here. And this machine, of course, like all Haas machines, fully supported service support parts from the HFO network. If you're in the market for a boxway lathe, go to HaasCNC.com and search boxway lathes. Thanks for watching.